every month to get the latest shiny software only to get a poor result and zero traffic in return. Finally cracked. New cloud technology makes SEO and traffic deadly easy and guarantees results. Launch your very own SEO business today. And everything is step by step, easy to follow in this all-in-one traffic and SEO software. Uncover red-hot profitable keywords that get you #1 rankings. One-click generate thousands of high-converting keywords. Instantly SEO optimize your pages for massive organic traffic. Truly easy to use with built-in training and 24/7 assistance and support. Finally, you can now grab your share of the huge and growing SEO market and get the free traffic you've always dreamed of. All without having to buy 10 different courses and tools and trying to get them to work together but only get a lousy result. Log in to our cloud software. Automate any of 44+ different SEO services for #1 rankings for yourself or sell to clients. Enjoy free, passive SEO traffic to your sites and thousands in sales from your services. People are taking huge advantage by selling these services on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer and many more. But don't trust us on this one. Here are users making hundreds of bucks per order. Fully loaded with 44 features you can use to create and sell your services today. Website Auditor. Quickly review any website and generate beautiful reports about SEO, therefore selling more of your services. Social Stats Spy Tool. Get detailed social media sharing analysis to help you in growing your viral sharing. Visitor Analytics. Watch website visitors in real time. Easier than Google Analytics. Keyword Research Tool. Instantly finds hot keywords that are effective and have a powerful impact upon your SEO services, generating a huge boost in your sales. Article Rewriter. Rewrite different articles and make them completely unique. Remember, Google loves unique content. Article Spinner Pro. From this pro version you can spin content for the following languages: English, Dutch, French, Spanish, Germany, Turkish, and Indonesian. Backlink Maker. Bored of manually creating backlinks to your website? The Backlink Maker will handle that for you. Set it and forget about it. Search Engine Spider Simulator. This tool allows you to simulate that spider program to see how it navigates your website. The smoother and faster it is, the better. Text-to-speech Premier Technology. Add the text, allow our software to convert into audio and instantly convert it into an MP3 file. Want to have your own voiceover? You got it. Keyword Density Checker. It is one of the ways search engines determine where your website should rank for a particular keyword. Check what's your keyword density. Meta Tag Generator. Google still checks the meta tags on every site. Make sure you have your keywords and you'll see keywords in your meta tags with the help of the meta tags generator to help you beat your competitors. Backlinks Extractor. Use these tools to spy on your competitors' backlinks and get a useful insights into their link building activities. One of the best ways to rank in Google. XML Sitemap Generator. The XML Sitemap is like a map that allows the search engine spiders to navigate through your site. You can create it in seconds. Robots.txt Generator. This is the file that lets search engines know how to crawl your website. You can create it within few clicks. Online Ping Website Tool. This gives the spiders a signal to crawl your site faster and know what has been updated. Pretty important when it comes to SEO. Blacklist Lookup. There are websites that get banned or blacklisted on the internet. This tool checks your website in the blacklist against 100 DNS-based email blacklists. Together with another 28 features that you will absolutely love. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. You know that you need traffic, and if you want to truly make a financial killing from true online passive profits and get massive high converting traffic, and all without wasting money and time to get traffic, then SEO Domination is made for you. Plus, this is not a cheap WP plugin or some unsafe desktop app. It's a fully fledged cloud platform. You just log in inside the product and you're ready to go make a financial killing. So all you have to do is push a button and SEO Domination does the rest for you, getting you instant #1 rankings for yourself or your clients. And everything is automated, easy to follow and newbie friendly in this all-in-one sales generating software. Here's how easy it is for us to make money selling our own SEO services. Just take a look at what we bring in on a daily basis through our different accounts. Get instant access to SEO Domination. We know a thing or two about SEO. And with SEO Domination, our earnings and yours will be 10x this year. From Colin Jordan. Finally the perfect solution for free organic traffic with SEO. Let's face the truth, you already know that you should SEO optimize all of your website's content, your videos, pages and articles. It's been proven that SEO is the single best way to a passive income for years to come. Just think about it for a second here. Everyday people are searching for solutions to their problems on Google or YouTube and desperately click on whatever presents them with that quick fix. It's a virtual goldmine for us marketers because we get free reliable traffic without ever having to worry about paying for traffic and trying to break even. FB banning your account and the ability to promote offers. Losing money due to inefficient keywords. You see, with SEO, the huge amount of traffic you get is free, passive and reliable. Bottom line is this, no matter what you're doing, if you're not including SEO into your marketing, you're missing out on huge paydays and you're missing out on the easiest way to make money online. Heck, I bet you know and would love to get started with SEO, because you can see it works. Chances are you even tried SEO at some point but gave up. Or you're still trying to get free organic traffic, but you're not getting the results you've wanted and you are looking for a better solution. But you've been kept back by one huge barrier, the ridiculously complex and outdated tools that are supposed to get you good rankings in a simple and fast way. Regardless if you're just starting out or if you already have experience with SEO, we can all agree that if you're trying to follow the usual steps, it's hard. So by now, we've agreed on two things. 1. You want to use SEO in your business. 2. You need to use SEO in your business. And simply because it's proven that SEO traffic is reliable, free and converts even better than traditional paid cold traffic. Remember, visitors that end up to your site and videos are in need of a solution, so they buy yours. Yet, you feel paralyzed to take the plunge due to the apparent complexity of making it all work. Or you're already doing SEO but aren't making much money because there's never been an all-in-one solution that does it all for you yet. Imagine a new lightweight piece of technology that's so incredibly sophisticated yet intuitive and easy to use that allows you to benefit from the absolute best SEO feature that can get you #1 rankings with zero hassle. Something that allows you to get #1 rankings for your own sites and also sell those rankings and SEO services to local businesses for thousands. That's exactly what we've designed SEO Domination to do for you. So if you value your business, want to increase your bottom line and dominate your competition, with SEO Domination you get all the SEO done for you with one click, so you can enjoy free traffic for years to come. This is completely done for you and allows you to take control of your SEO marketing instantly. Check. No need to waste money on 5 different tools that don't even work. Check. No need to spend weeks trying to do the work yourself. Check. No need to pay for a keyword research tool that probably doesn't even work. Check. No need to stress over everything that could go wrong, or even wonder if you're even on the right track. Not only is SEO Domination the best SEO software available hands down, it's also the most affordable solution and a true all-in-one option that does it all for you. In fact, SEO Domination is so good, it's in a league of its own. Forget about paying outrageous fees to get a lot of different tools and sacrifice a lot of quality, wasting your time and money in the process. SEO Domination provides the best of both worlds. You now have the opportunity to take advantage of our zero hassle, zero restrictions cloud software that gets you the free traffic and massive sales. It gets better. Dominate your competition and increase your conversions. We're giving you a way to create unlimited unique content. You will have your own awesome high-converting software that you can use in creating services you can then sell. Find the hottest keywords and generate the best SEO reports that will crush your competitors. We're doing it all for you by providing a software which will offer you a successful business. That's right, we've built SEO Domination with free in mind. Meaning you simply open the app and you can find keywords, generate articles, and SEO optimize your site with just a few clicks. That means that your competition won't be able to keep up with all the free traffic you're getting while having literally zero costs. You'll be the dominant force in the marketplace. You're about to get access to the revolutionary new software that will allow you to triple your business with just a few clicks. So the logical question is, who can benefit from using the world's best SEO platform? This is simple. Any marketer, regardless of the niche, who needs more content, more traffic and wants to make more money. Video marketers and SEO marketers looking for a way of getting profitable keywords that no one else is ranking for in YouTube and Google. Traffic enthusiasts who want to enjoy higher rankings and free traffic. Affiliate marketers and website owners looking to increase sales. Anyone who wants to save money and get the best solution at the same time. Busy business people who want a true set and forget type of SEO tool that just gets them traffic without them having to worry about it. Look, it doesn't even matter who you are or what you're doing. If you want to finally be successful online, make the money that you want and live the lifestyle that you dream of, then SEO Domination is for you. SEO Domination is the only alternative to wasting tons of time and money on expensive, confusing SEO techniques and apps that never work. Full web platform that lets you sell DeFi SEO services. 44 unique and jaw-dropping features to get #1 rankings. Commercial license, use for yourself or sell to clients. Article writing, backlinks, keyword research all done for you. 100% newbie-friendly, easy-to-use editor. A complete experience that will help you get started and start selling the same day. Sell SEO reports and audits on Fiverr. Proprietary technology automates hundreds of gigs for you. Mobile responsive design. SEO built in turning your services into a #1 ranking beast. $997 value. $497 value. $497 value. $397 value. $297 value. $297 value. $197 value. $497 value. $197 value. $197 value. Wait, what if I don't have that kind of cash? Don't worry. You see, the catch is that this is a special offer, so for a limited time we're offering this for an extremely low price. So it's actually going to be much less than what you think. Much less than $3,352. In fact, not even half that. Not even 1,100 of that. And clearly, much less than the minimum $300 that it would take if you individually bought all the tools you need. You can agree that the price we're asking is extremely low. That's going to change quickly. The price is rising with every few hours, so it won't be long until it's more than double what it is today. We could easily charge hundreds of dollars for a revolutionary tool like this. But we want to offer you an attractive and affordable price that will finally help you send emails in the best possible way, without wasting a ton of money. Just take action. And I promise you won't be disappointed. You can try SEO Domination for 30 days without any worries. Guarantee. Listen, we know there are a lot of crappy software tools out there that will get you nowhere. Most of the software is overpriced and an absolute waste of money. So if you're a bit skeptical, that's perfectly fine. I'm so sure you'll see the potential of this groundbreaking software that I'll let you try it out 100% risk-free. Just test it for 30 days, and if you're not able to get amazing SEO results, and we cannot help you in any way, you will be eligible for a refund. No tricks, no hassles. Don't procrastinate. Take action now. Get your copy of SEO Domination. By now you should be really excited about all the wonderful benefits of such an amazing piece of software. You don't want to miss out on the wonderful opportunity presented today, and then regret later when it costs more than double, or it's even completely off the market.